Hey guys, good morning from Mumbai, from my home, sweet home. So I was thinking I'm cooking something special today, very commonly known to Keralites, Mallus, Mambazha Pulissery. Mambazha Pulissery is basically a curry made of mangoes, ripe mangoes or semi-ripe mangoes. Okay, rather than telling you all, I'll show you how it's made. I know I'm traveling most of the time, but I also cook, and I'm a reasonably decent cook. So here I'll show you. So you know what, I have taken 4 ripe mangoes. I peel them and put a little water and allow it to cook for 5-10 minutes. See, this is the mango. ये काला क्यों हुआ है? Because I have added little jaggery. Mangoes तो वैसे sweet है, jaggery की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. But for this dish, for this curry, you need a little bit of jaggery. You can make a jaggery water, or if jaggery granules powder है तो directly you can put it in. And this has been simmering now for 10 minutes, and I had put almost ripe mangoes. And believe me, ये मेरे घर के mangoes है. घर के यानी I have a small patch of land where I grow few fruits, contributing to environment and nature. And I don't keep the mangoes for myself, I distribute it to everybody. So I'll show you the mangoes. अभी last batch जो बचा है. Oh, this is the last batch of mangoes after distribution and after taking out few packets of pulp to give it to few more people. This is the remaining. तो मैंने सोचा आज I'll make Mambazha Pulissery, which is the name of this curry, in Malayalam. This is getting almost done, 10 minutes. I have kept here something ready. A cup of coconut, grated fresh coconut. इसमें मैंने डाला है थोड़ा सा हल्दी पाउडर, थोड़ा मिर्ची पाउडर, little bit of turmeric powder, maybe 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon miर्ची powder, because I like a little spicy. I don't like sweet. And I put half a cup of curd, fresh curd. Now I am going to grind this, make a paste of this. So it's very hot in Mumbai, and if you're in the kitchen, you're literally having a sauna bath. This mixture of coconut with curd should be grinded to a fine paste. Okay, so I'll have a go once more. This has been grinded to a fine paste. I will put this into this curry. Currently, I'm not working with a selfie stand, so I'll have to keep this phone down. So I have made a paste and put that in the curry. I'm going to add some water here. So while the mangoes were boiling, I did add a little salt. I'm going to add some more salt because this basically curry has a sweet and sour, tangy, not sour. And it's a good curry for summers. Good for the health, good for the stomach. And it's very easy to make. मतलब total 15 minutes में your curry is ready. Once the boil comes, I'm going to garnish it with in ghee, and again homemade ghee, which I make myself. So you see, other than traveling, I do a lot of stuff. So once the curry comes to a boil, I'm going to garnish it with mustard seeds, methi, fenugreek. He is almost ready. I just have to garnish it now. I think chili powder thoda zyada ho gaya. And this is called a chatti in Malayalam. Chatti or manchatti, baked clay pots. And here I'm ready for garnish. I put 1.5 tablespoon ghee, and this is homemade ghee. I make the ghee also. I'm going to garnish it. Mustard seeds, fenugreek, whole red chili. And mind you, please put ghee because ghee enhances the taste of the curry. Once this flutters, I'm going to put red chili, whole red chili, and I think I'll shut this off. This is done. So I shut off the gas. And because the curd is mixed with coconut and grinded to a fine paste, it won't curdle up. So this is almost ready. I'm going to add this, and I am going to put some curry leaves. This is again Mera Garden ka curry leaves from my indoor plant. Now let me put this, and the garnish right into the curry, and voila, Mambazha Pulissery is ready to be consumed, relished with rice. I'm waiting to relish this Mambazha Pulissery with rice in the afternoon for lunch, and believe me, it's an absolutely amazing curry, especially for summer. Try it. Let me know how you find it. This is the first time I'm doing a food vlog. Please do share, like and comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do share. Bye bye. Much